Hello, guys. Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you're coming here, I say very big welcome to you. The thing is, I want you to understand that we ship everywhere worldwide. Yes, UK, Europe, Canada, Asia country, just name it. Around the globe, we ship everywhere. And also, I want you to understand also that we do train. If you want us to train you, we train you well, and then you'll be good in it. So, we train as well. To either you register with us, come to our office, or you can also do it online. We can just do video call one-on-one. And the beautiful thing about it, we don't always give rooms to ask questions. We don't just take money then block you like what other people do. We don't do all that. All right, beautiful. So, and in addition to it, if you want to buy all these original recipes, those who produce, who mix, and who premix cosmetics, you want to buy original ones, all these, we sell them from A to Z, just name it, okay? And anyone we don't have, we can source them for you also as well. There are a lot of products you don't know about. There are a lot of oils you don't know about. There are a lot of whitening solution you don't know about. So we can help you to get them. Beautiful. It doesn't end all. We ship them to you. Okay, quick one. Everybody be asking, what is it that that really makes this yellow CC to the high level, to the peak right now? Everybody talking about it, the streets, everybody talking about yellow CC, yellow CC, yellow CC. They say my product not go sell. Ah, who born you? Who they tell you that one? Say my product not go sell. You they laugh me. You they laugh God. You don't feel laugh God though, because the product it dey work. Now the thing be that it dey work. All right. You can see this lady like how she's excited over the product. A lot of testimonies. A lot. Go to our Instagram, go to our YouTube, go to our TikTok. A lot. The product it they sell well. All right, because it's working. Good product will always sell itself. Now let me tell you some of the things because the old one, we decide to upgrade the old one to this version, and let me tell you some of the things it does. This new one, okay? You go to look for better skin or product that can really make your skin like skin emulant. All right. So if you talk of those kind of product, you should be thinking of our product, such as yellow CC. Okay. In a small say, it will just make you yellow. There are some better benefit that you get from it. And let me listen to you. One, it reduces your hyperpigmentation. All right. Then any skin blemishes, this thing they reduce them. When I mean skin blemishes, you all know skin blemishes. All right. No, any hyper pigmentation like your scar also said they fade them, and it fights against any sign of aging. So it's anti-aging also. All right, so it's a good emollient. All right, because of the substance, the solution we added to improve it. So if you don't get all this, if you know the if you buy them, you see say they do all this when I talk, no say no be our yellow CC, no be our yellow CC be that. It lightens you. After that, then makes you yellow like the lady. You see those testimony. Let's go for a break. You see this testimony. Just watch this testimony.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So I'm sure you'll be wondering what type of product I use for my skin, for my glowing skin. Hi, this is what I use. Austin Global Cosmetics. This yellow 60 is the boom. Like, you need to see my before picture. Before I can't go out without makeup, but now I have my confidence back. I can go out without makeup and I'm flourishing. See, my skin is so flawless. So if you want to know more about this product, just go to Austin Global in all the social media network. And guess what, guys? This thing also contains vitamin C. Oh. It's also blemish free, anti-aging, and C, knuckle free. Else is the bomb. Like wherever you are, you can get this products. Distance is not a barrier. See my knuckles now. High pigmentation free. It's anti-aging too. You will look flawless and you look very young.
So that is that. If the lady she not confirm am, if she no use them confirm her, that would be a different bugging or a different talk entirely. But she used that and now she dey use it tomorrow. You see testimonies rapidly now because they are seeing results. All right. If you talk about a lot of emollient solutions that you can really use, we have a lot of them. But you know who, will make I call the name there for you. I'm not gonna name there for you. That is just our own secret. All right. But we have a lot of them in here that really. And when you dey hear the Igbo emollient, like making no business a big thing, not just a solution that soften the skin. All right. So to make other solutions that you add another whitening solution to fit activate their own, work. So that it go fit yellow or you go fit white or you go fit moisturize because if your skin no soft at all, if your cream no carry anything when if you make your skin soft, nothing go fit penetrate. That is why you see glycerin also is a good, emollient. So I don't teach you now. That is teach you now work. But anyway, that is that. You must learn. You must learn. So all these, solutions that when you get them, when you put them, put other, other things that will make your skin, your cream be healthy to people. Why not? Why they not go buy them? Now be waiting this one carry. Okay, this cream is very healthy to people. That's why they be rushing it so serious. Okay, it doesn't give knuckles. It doesn't give knuckles. It reduces your I mean your blemishes. It's anti-aging also. So make you they procrastinate until you not go see them again, until your money not go they reach to buy them again because as they work like this, price they enter. Now the truth be that. All right. So no go toss it. I no tell you if you need all that chap creams that like you want to get white excessively. How that day. That be the new one we dey do come oh. That new one we go launch ourselves. Emollient white 12. That be the new cream where we want launch. Emollient white 12. No be joke. When you see that lotion, emollient white 12 cream, that lotion, when you see am, if it come out, now so it be. You know, the skin, make we never talk about that. Make we sit there on top this yellow sisi. So if you dey Europe, you dey sha country, Canada, UK, US, this is what you need. Mostly this time now one a day. So now this product because now all for all skin and all weather. All right. For those people that say my skin they dry, because the reason why your skin get dry because those products you use, there's not good emollients there. Wetin go make your cream dey dry people's skin na when they lack some good unique emollients. If you never understand now say na this cream dey make everybody dey glow. Na this cream dey make everybody dey yellow. Na this cream dey give them swag. This cream and the cream also be part of the people who enjoy the benefit of yellow CC. Oda, but wait, don't forget, like as I tell you before earlier, we dey ship everywhere. We dey train people